All right, so in less than 10 minutes, I'll be telling you how you can apply for your visa extension if you're a student in the United Kingdom that probably you failed one of your courses and you have to, request for extension. Guys, these things happens, okay? Just be calm. It's not the end of the world. The first thing you need to do is to request for your CAS. You have to request for another CAS from your school. How are you going to go about it? Of course, the school knows that something is wrong and you will need an extension as an international student. So the first thing they will do is to send you an email letting you know that, yeah, we have seen that you didn't pass one of your courses, and because of this, you will be giving you extension, maybe for registering that course that you failed, and you're expected to pay a certain amount of money before they issue you CAS. That's what most of the schools do. As soon as you receive your CAS, that's when you make your visa extension application. Don't forget that the extension link is different from normal visa application link. That's the normal UK student application link. That's why I am making now this video for you. Follow me to my screen. Come to Google, you type student visa extension UK, the very first one that is there. Extend your visa, so you click on that one, then it will take you directly to UK government website. Just come down here, you will see start now. It takes you to the next page where it will ask you, where are you planning to live in the United Kingdom? Is it England or other locations? Do you have access to a current EU, EEA or Swiss passport? No. Continue. Do you have access to a biometric resident permit, BRP? Yes or no? Has your biometric resident permit expired? When did your BRP expire? Here, it expired less than 18 months ago. It expired more than 18 months ago. Have you ever provided your fingerprint for a UK visa application? Yes. Is your name on your BRP same as on your current passport? Yes. Check you can use the app. You are expected to create a UKVI account if you didn't have any, but if you had one, you just log in. Which identity documents did you use when you created your account? What is your biometric resident card or permit number? What is your date of birth? You are expected to enter your date of birth on this box. How do you want to receive a security code? Is it by your phone number, your email address? So here you're expected to click on the form. You can see forms, sign in details. Okay, so you're expected to click on this form, then you start a new application. But because we have already started this one before, so I'm just going to continue with the application. So as you can see, I'll click on the green button, but just in case you are starting the application newly, all you have to do is just for you to go to that form, click on the form and then continue. You fill out the application yourself. Apply as a student. It has already generated a unique application number for you. Okay, so you fill out each section of the application. The first one is identity and contacts. Confirm your identity. You click on it. What iPhone do you have? Is it iPhone 7 or newer, or iPhone 6 or older? So I'm going to choose iPhone 7 or newer. Continue on the app. So you can see that it's redirecting me to the ID check app. That's UK immigration ID check. Then click on continue. Okay, we need to confirm who you are. So here I'm expected to choose the phone number that I want them to send a code to, if it's the phone number or an email address. So here I'm going to go with the phone number. Enter the 6-digit code here and continue. Continue clicking on the arrow by the edge. Okay, then it will be sliding. You can see check your document information, scan your face. It's just telling you everything that you need to know, like the steps that you're expected to take on this app. Continue scrolling. Okay, then take a photo of yourself. As you are taking this photo, please make sure that you are in a very clear background, and of course you have already dressed up for a photo. Remember that this is exactly what is going to be on your UKVI account. Okay, and until you renew your visa, you still continue to have that picture. What document do you want to use to log in? So here I'm going to choose BRP, that's biometric resident permit. Okay. Take an image of your card. Continue. Take an image of the other side of the card. Okay, so you turn the other side of the card, then continue. Okay, you have successfully taken an image of both sides of the card. Then click OK and continue. Okay, here you're expected to access the chip in your card. You can see the image there. So that is exactly what you're expected to do. Put the top of the phone halfway down your card. So I'm going to do that. Continue. Ready to scan? Yeah. I think it has successfully scanned now. Access chip completed. Okay, so the information has been checked now. So I'll click on OK. The next one, scan your face. Face scan successfully, then click OK. So here you're expected to take a photograph, like passport photograph. Okay, so it says make sure you have a plain light background, for example a white wall, no objects or people behind you. Once you have scanned your picture successfully, it will automatically bring out your information on UK government website. That's the information on your BRO page. You just click on submit information. But before then, guys, make sure that every details here is correct. Okay, so now it has redirected us back to UK government account. Confirm your identity bars have been checked and it's been successfully completed. So we are going to go to the next one, which says immigration advisor details. I will just click on it. Are you using an immigration advisor based in the UK? Yes or no? You can see that box is completed. So we'll go to the next one, which is contact preferences. I'll click on it. Which email address can we use to contact you? Because this person has an account before, so they brought out different options of email address. Now left for you to to choose the one that best suits you, the one that you want to use to continue your application. You choose your phone number. What is your address? So here you're expected to enter your postcode. So that one is completed. Now we'll go to the next one. Other names and nationalities. Any other name. So if you have any other name, you can put them here just in case you did a change of name. But if not, just choose no and continue. Your identity card. Do you have a valid national identity card? If you do, you say yes. If you don't, you say no. Your other nationalities. Do you currently hold or have you ever had any other nationality or citizenship? No. Prepare your application. People applying with you. Click on that one. Are your partner or children applying with you? Either yes or no. Do you have a spouse or partner applying with you? What is your spouse or partner's name? So you enter the date of birth, the passport number, and country of nationality. Do you have children applying with you? Yes or no. What is the first child's name? So here you put the given name and the surname. Always remember that the given name is the first name first and the middle name, while the surname, of course, is the surname. The date of birth, the passport number, and of course, the nationality. Do you have any other children applying with you? Yes or no. Next one is your location. You type it if you're already in the United Kingdom and continue. The next one, personal details. Your sex, female, continue. Your country of birth. Enter your passport details. Your home address. Do you live at this address? I'm clicking yes. Okay. Then when did you start living at this address? Enter the date, format, month, and year. This is how you continue filling each section until you have completed the application and submit. However, there is an important part. You must make sure that the cast number you are entering is correct, and also make sure that the sponsor license number, that's the university sponsor license number, is correct. So as soon as you have done all this and you have completed the application, you will see the price. Yes, is about £490 per applicant. Okay, and don't forget that you have to pay IHS fee for the number of years that they are giving you. Okay, that is on the cast, the number of years you are having for your extension, although it's normally like 9 months. Okay, so if it's 9 months, you'll be paying about 700 and something pounds. Okay, just take note of this and make the money available before you start your application, because as soon as you get to that point, you're expected to make the visa application application fee, that's the extension visa fee and the IHS fee. Thank you guys for watching. If you have earned value from this video, kindly like this video and don't forget to share. Remember, this is Blessed Blessing channel. Thank you. Bye bye.